What is up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm finally going to be trying two products from the CURLSMITH Scalp recipe line. And the reason I say finally is because this line came out a while ago, and I also got these products a while ago. I got them during one of Ulta's CURLSMITH sales, and it was not during Black Friday. It was like months before that. I don't even know when I got this in 2020, but it has been in my stash for way too long, so I'm ready to bring it out and try it with you guys today. So the first product that I'm going to be trying is the CURLSMITH Scalp Recipe Wash and Scrub Detox Pro-Biotic. So this is a clarifying scrub. It's a shampoo for all hair types, and it says it's for microbiome control. It's to exfoliate, clarify, and cleanse. It says the select ingredients are probiotic cultures, apple cider vinegar, organic ginger root, dragon fruit juice, and it's an eco-friendly scrub. There's organic wild nettle and guarana extract. And the microbiome facts are that probiotics are microorganisms that strengthen the scalp's protective barrier, the microbiome. This product is cruelty-free with certified organic ingredients, and it is also vegan, and it has 0 spoons of sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, and DEA. And this product is 8 fluid ounces, so this is what it looks like. The second product that I'm going to be trying is the Post-Biotic Calming Conditioner, and it's from the same line. It's a cooling conditioner for all hair types, so I'm really hoping to feel that cooling sensation or whatever. If it says cooling right on the front, my hair better feel cool.
I said what I said!
It says it restores the microbiome, refreshes, soothes, and hydrates. And the select ingredients are active postbiotics, hyaluronic acid, biotinol complex, peppermint oil, organic lavender, tea tree leaves, and organic thyme oil. And the microbiome facts are postbiotics are beneficial extracts from good bacteria that regulate the scalp's protective barrier, the microbiome. This product is also cruelty-free with certified organic ingredients, and it's also vegan. And this one is 12 fluid ounces, which is even better than 8.
Okay.
The shampoo is step 2 in this line, and the conditioner is step 3. And I already applied step 1 to my hair off camera. Step 1 is one of my least favorite products that I tried in 2020. So I'm sure you guys can already guess what it is because I made a video about it. And it's the Super Slip Pre-Biotic Primer. It's a pre-wash treatment for all hair types and scalp types. And it's for microbiome balance. It stimulates, protects, and detangles. Well, it does not detangle, that is a lie. I've tried it on 2 occasions, and I will never try to detangle with this again, but this is what it looks like. If you want to hear me ranting about this product, I will link both of my videos on it down below in the description, and I definitely roast it in both of them. This product is so expensive and it is not super slip, so that's a little spoiler, but I did have some other things to say, I'm sure. So if you do want to see a good roasting, go ahead and check that out. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my Telliscopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Like I said, I already applied the primer to my hair off camera, so I'm going to be going right in with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. This is what the product looks like, and it is very liquidy, so like as soon as I opened the product and tried to like squeeze it into my hand, it just like came out. So it did spill a little bit on my counter, which is not very cute, but you know, I don't mind a lightweight shampoo, so I don't have a problem with that. I just wish it was a little bit less messy. I wish I did have to squeeze and it wasn't just coming out on its own. Like this is where it spilled all over the conditioner when I opened it, and I was just not expecting that. But this is how it looks as I like rub it on my hands, and you guys can see just how lightweight it is. I can feel a light kind of exfoliator, nothing harsh at all, very light. Alright, let me give you guys some of the deets on this product. The back of it says, we shake the hands that harvest our ingredients. The truth about clarifying. Clarifying treatments might feel a bit more stripping than regular shampoos. That's why we have designed ours in 3 steps. Step 1, the CURLSMITH Super Slip Pre-Biotic Primer protects. Step 2, the scrub exfoliates. And step 3, the CURLSMITH Post-Biotic Calming Conditioner restores pH and moisture balance. One of our key ingredients, our scrub is made of 100% natural particles. Its texture is incredibly fine, you'll barely feel it, so it can penetrate through the roots, effectively exfoliate the scalp, and wash off without leaving residues. I can definitely say that it is incredibly fine. You can barely feel it. They are so right about that. How to feed your hair and scalp. Apply on wet hair after the CURLSMITH Super Slip Pre-Biotic Primer. Massage vigorously into your scalp to break down product buildup. Rinse off thoroughly. Your hair will feel squeaky clean. Good, that's proof it worked. Follow with the CURLSMITH Post-Biotic Calming Conditioner to rebalance moisture and pH levels. And I hope that the pre-poo that I used, which was actually a deep conditioner this time, it was a deep conditioner that I didn't like, the Honey's Handmade Pink Sugar Hibiscus Plant Deep Conditioning Mask, I decided to give that a try as a pre-poo. And I pre-pooed in the shower, so I didn't really have to worry about slip or anything like that, and I feel like it did a good job. I'm not really looking forward to deep condition my hair at all. It did what I needed it to do for me to be able to detangle, coat my hair, moisturize my hair, and get out of there. Sorry about the audio, my phone's about to die, so I had to unplug my mic and plug my charger in. But this is what my hair is looking like after I've applied the shampoo to the first section. And I feel like it applied really well. It does have a nice lather. I kind of can feel my hair getting a little dry maybe, but I'm still holding out hope that it will stay moisturized. I really don't like that squeaky clean feeling. That is not my jam. Okay, I just rinsed the shampoo out, and it's not the most moisturizing shampoo I've ever used. It's definitely not, with my top favorites like the Telisse, the Main Crush, Miche, Elake. It's not with them. But it is also not the most stripping shampoo I've ever tried either. It actually did not make my hair feel stripped. It just didn't make me feel that moisture that I love. I feel like it was probably, somewhere in the middle of those two, between, stripped and super moisturized. It was just like average, okay.
Barely.
My hair did feel really nice and clean though, just not stripped, which I really did like. So I feel like it does get a check for my hair not being squeaky clean like it said on the package. So I'm happy that that did not happen. All right, here is how my hair is looking. Okay. So I do still have a lot of definition, and as you guys can see, my hair is not looking super dry, and it's not feeling super dry either. It feels moisturized. Actually more moisturized than I was expecting it to feel. It's not as far away from my favorites as I thought it was. I don't think it's as moisturizing as they are, but I give it like a B+, A- on the moisture level. Now I did leave my pre-poo in like I always do, so that could be why my hair is feeling that extra moisture. That probably is why, but I am not complaining. Here is what the other side is looking like, and it's looking even less frizzy, more shiny, more defined. It feels really good. It's honestly feeling more and more like it's on the level of my favorites as I keep touching it. I guess I have to do some battles to know for sure, but for now I do like the shampoo, and it did a really good job. Before I jump into using the conditioner, I did want to explain my pre-poo a little bit because I feel like it didn't really make sense. I didn't explain it right the first time. So I pre-poo my hair in the shower using the Honey's Handmade Pink Sugar and Hibiscus Plant Deep Conditioning Mask, which looks like this. And then when I got out of the shower, I detangled my hair fully in the shower with this and my Wet Brush Pro Detangler, which I have been loving pre-pooing with. After I got out of the shower, I applied the Super Slip Pre-Biotic Primer from CURLSMITH, and I applied that to my scalp and my strands, massaging it into my scalp. And I wet my hair before I applied this, so I did not have to wet my hair before I applied the shampoo. Because I'm having such trouble deciding if this shampoo is on par with my favorites, please let me know down below in the comments which one of my favorites you like to see me battle it against. So far, I do really like this shampoo. It's not worth its expensive price, but I do like it. If I could find it on sale, I would be tempted to pick it up again once I run out. Alright, now it's time to apply the CURLSMITH Post-Biotic Calming Conditioner. And before I apply it, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair again into 4 sections. I forgot to say how this product smells. It has a floral scent and it smells really similar to the deep conditioner from this line. So if you haven't seen my video on that deep conditioner, I'm going to link it down below in the description and make sure you check it out. Alright, this is what the conditioner looks like, and it does have a nice minty scent. So I am really expecting that tingly scalp sensation. As you guys can see, this is a nice, creamy, sort of thick, pretty thick conditioner. Definitely not thin, runny, watery at all. I wouldn't say it's like super thick, but it does have a nice thickness to it.
Okay.
I can smell the mint even more as I'm applying it to my hair. This product says how to feed your hair and scalp. Apply generously on wet hair after the CURLSMITH Wash and Scrub Detox Pro-Biotic. Coat all strands evenly and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to perform its soothing and rebalancing action on the scalp. Rinse off thoroughly. Okay, I just applied the conditioner to my entire first section, and this is what my hair is looking like. And I'm not detangling with this conditioner, so I'm not really testing its slip. It feels like it might be okay because I did do a little bit of light detangling, but I'm going to be detangling with my deep conditioner, so I feel like I'm not going to waste my time by detangling with this. I always detangle with my deep conditioner, as you guys know, so I'm not going to change my plan up today. But I am just going to fully coat my strands with this deep conditioner like I did with this section and see how it makes my hair and my scalp feel. So far it does feel moisturizing, and I can definitely feel that tingly scalp sensation. I didn't even really massage my scalp with this and I can still feel it. I did a very light, slight, quick massage and I am feeling that tingle. If you guys do want me to test the slip of this product, just let me know. And I'm also considering doing a battle between this and the deep conditioner from this line, just to see, like, do you need to have them both? Could you just buy the conditioner and make it work? Or do you really need the deep conditioner? Like, which one is the best? Because I usually don't use rinse out conditioners at all, so I feel like it'll be interesting to do a battle with the rinse out conditioner and deep conditioner. I'm feeling like the deep conditioner is going to just win it. I feel like I'll know for sure if I'm going to do that battle after I rinse this out and see how my hair is feeling after that. And I'll know if it can even stand up at all to the deep conditioner. So we'll see if that would be a waste of time. Some of our key ingredients are hyaluronic acid, which is known as a moisturizing miracle. Just 1 gram of it can hold up to 6 liters of water. We've applied the same science to help restore scalp moisture and rehydrate dry, tired hair. Tea tree and mint essential oils are widely known for their cooling, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, which help rebalance and refresh the scalp. And when I tell you guys my hair is tingling, it is going crazy. Okay, I just finished rinsing out this conditioner, and I don't even have to get close for you guys to see that my curls are popping. So this is what they are looking like up close, and my hair just feels so good, so soft, that I feel like a battle is definitely in order. I still feel like the deep conditioner is gonna have a leg up over the rinse out conditioner just because it is a deep conditioner. but my hair is feeling so good that I just have to try it out. My scalp is still tingling even after rinsing this conditioner out, and I do not have a problem with that. It makes my scalp feel like invigorated, refreshed, and amazing. I can't pick a favorite between these two because they were both bomb, but like I usually say about CURLSMITH products, the only thing I don't like about them is their price. I'm pretty sure these are both around $25, probably more. If I could find these both again on sale, then I would repurchase both of them. But I am honestly leaning towards the conditioner a little bit just because the definition is blowing me away. Like I can literally see it from here and I'm just like, yes. It looks like I did like a fluffy wash and go. Like there's not much frizz at all. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I forgot to say that some of my friends here on YouTube have already tried these products, so I'm going to link their reviews down below in the description. I know my girls Jerry J and 4C Chick tried this collection out, so I will definitely be linking their videos down below and any others that I forgot.